best sport compact cars for 2024 Acura Integra Type S. As we speed into 2024, the sport compact car market is buzzing with excitement, offering a range of models that perfectly blend performance, agility, and everyday practicality. Leading the pack is the highly anticipated 2024 Acura Integra Type S, a car that revives a legendary nameplate with modern performance and cutting-edge technology. 2024 Acura Integra Type S, a legend reimagined. The 2024 Acura Integra Type S marks a triumphant return of a classic, bringing with it a potent combination of power, precision, and sophistication. Under its sculpted hood lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTC engine, delivering an impressive 320 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This power plant, derived from the Honda Civic Type R, is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, ensuring a highly engaging driving experience that appeals to purists. The Integra Type S's suspension system is finely tuned for performance, featuring adaptive dampers that adjust to various driving conditions to provide a balance of comfort and sharp handling. The car's lightweight chassis and limited slip differential enhance its agility, allowing it to tackle tight corners with confidence and stability. Externally, the 2024 Integra Type S is a visual stunner. Its aggressive front fascia, wide fenders, and sporty rear spoiler underscore its performance capabilities. The 19-inch alloy wheels and quad exhaust tips add to its athletic aesthetic, while functional aero elements contribute to its high-speed stability. Inside, the Integra Type S offers a driver-centric cockpit adorned with premium materials and advanced technology. The cabin features sports seats with contrast stitching, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keep drivers connected and informed. Additional features such as a premium audio system, wireless charging, and a head-up display enhance the overall driving experience. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Acura Integra Type S is a standout, the sport compact car market for 2024 is filled with other impressive options. 2023 Honda Civic Type R, renowned for its razor-sharp handling and 315 horsepower turbocharged engine, the Civic Type R remains a favorite among enthusiasts. Volkswagen Golf R, featuring a 315 horsepower engine and advanced all-wheel drive system, the Golf R blends power with everyday usability. Hyundai Elantra N, with a 276 horsepower engine and adaptive suspension, the Elantra N offers a compelling mix of performance and value. Subaru WRX, combining a 271 horsepower turbocharged engine with all-wheel drive, the WRX provides versatile performance in various driving conditions. Conclusion. As we approach 2024, the sport compact car segment promises an array of thrilling models that cater to performance enthusiasts and practical drivers alike. The 2024 Acura Integra Type S stands out with its powerful engine, refined handling, and luxurious features, making it a top choice for those seeking an exhilarating driving experience. Whether you're drawn to the Integra Type S's blend of heritage and modernity or the unique strengths of its rivals, the best sport compact cars of 2024 are sure to deliver excitement and enjoyment on the road.